What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wrap Your Ride. We have some really cool cars to look at today. In particular, we're looking at this brand new S-Class that is getting kind of a Maybach style silver wrap. So let's go inside and take a look at it.
Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? We're running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you.
All right, everyone, here we have this beautiful brand new Mercedes S-Class wrapped in this gorgeous two-tone silver with the factory black paint. But look at that shimmer in the sun. Super, super clean. Another amazing job done by Wrap Your Ride. Just beautiful. We're gonna take a look inside here real quick just to see this gorgeous interior. Look at that wood. The black diamond stitching. Got the Burmester sound system, of course, and the black stitching on the sides as well. Let's take a look inside the back real quick. See my lovely new Ronin gimbal there. But the Maybach pillows, the diamond stitching throughout. Of course, we have the cooler as well. Beautiful. Interior lighting goes throughout the car. Again, we have these beautiful, beautiful Burmester sound system. And that dark ash wood is so pretty. The shades up here, of course. You take a look back here. I just love these taillights on the new S-Class. Super pretty with this two-tone S580. Just looks so good. We come around here to the front seat here. Again, that diamond stitching is just so pretty. The ash wood and the new screens and steering wheel. Have the Bombay door center console here. Look at that. Just perfect. Classy, classy spec. I love the neck pillows. You gotta have the neck pillows. This screen is super cool because it has a 3D functionality. You may be able to see the heads-up display there as well. Packed full of tech. It looks so good. Finishings are all perfect, of course. Handles. Look at that shimmer on the paint as well. Look at that, wow. But this two-tone looks so good. So if you have your new S-Class and you want to add a little bit of Maybach to it, come to Wrap Your Ride and they'll take care of that for you. Close these doors so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's perfect. And we have our plane shot here. Now guys, if you enjoy videos like this, do please subscribe. Drop a comment down below what you want to see from Wrap Your Ride next. And I'll see you in the next one.